Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Make sure you like, comment, share. Please turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also guys, give this video a thumbs up for the shrimp and rice ball we're about to devour.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen. On the menu today, we are having some shrimp fried rice balls. And as you can see from the beginning of the video, we were trying to figure out what we were going to eat. So Babe had to, figure that part out. And then I finished the rest of it. So in the shrimp fried rice ball, we have some shrimp, we have some sweet pepper, we have some onions, we have a mixture of everything, and some scallion to top it off. And we have our sauce here, homemade.
Sauce is good.
And we also fried some chicken on the side. Ready to eat?
Yes.
All right.
I know where I'm going first. Yeah.
Do you want the sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, put it right here.
I know I was gonna go for that first.
The sauce? The
The
rice ball?
I know off the back. Right off the back, I knew it.
These ones took us, they were a little bit more difficult than the first one.
Mm-hmm. Because the first one was just rice.
I know.
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm-mm. The sauce is always so good.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you guys are having a beautiful start to your week. I hope you are having something delicious to eat.
We both go down at the same time.
This is so good.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Oh, I lost my rice. Okay, good.
One thing with Babe, you could bank on her making a mess. No matter what. Mm. I don't know. How is it possible, right? That the rice balls are better than the rice itself? How is that possible?
I have no idea.
How is it possible?
I'm gonna try to start the chicken with the sauce. Mm. So guys, Babe and I was having a conversation the other day, and I asked her, I don't know, I can't remember how it came up exactly, but we're talking about friends and friendship and along the lines and so on and so forth. And I said to her, and I'm going to ask you guys the same question, Do you have any references to put on a friendship application? I mean, good references. Excluding parents, because parents are not included. No, yeah, parents and siblings are not included. But it depends on the sibling. Because if they don't like you, you could include them. But then they'll be honest. They'll be honest. So comment down below and let us know if you have any good references, hypothetically, to put on a friendship application.
I think that, personally, not to toot my own horn or anything. Yes, I am tooting my own horn. I really am. I am. Personally, I will make a great friend reference. Hands down. Hands down.
You would have you would have good references?
No. If somebody should use me.
No, but what about you? Do you have any?
No. That's why I switch it around. That's why I switch it around, because I
We're
know
not
that.
switching anything. We're not doing that. The question is, and I'm gonna do it again.
Jay always trying to get me.
Because you always run away from the question. Question is, hypothetically, if you're filling out a friendship application, how many good references would you have?
I'll say about a good 8 or 10. Yeah. About a good 8 or 10.
This is excluding parents and
siblings. Now, on the reference, like, what are they? Is there something specific? Because, you know, it have to be like, is it specific stuff that they're asking on the reference?
Oh, definitely.
Like what?
Like, are you a good friend? Are you a dependable friend? Are you a trustworthy friend?
Oh, God.
Are you an honest friend?
Oh, God.
Can I count on you to ride with me kind of friend? You know, specific questions.
I got one other two. I got one other two.
You have one of the two reference or just one of the two? So, one of the two reference or just one of the two?
Just one other two.
Alright, cool. Guys, comment down below and let us know.
What about you?
How many good reference would you have hypothetically? Let's not pay that no mind. Hypothetically, if you were filling out a friendship application.
Apparently, guys, this question do not go for Jay. Jay just made up the question for everybody else.
I would say I have 2 references. 2 good references. What they might tell you, not sure.
You looking down here? I got shorts down here.
Comment down below and let us know how many good references would you have hypothetically if you're filling out a friendship application. Parents excluded and siblings are also excluded.
What about ex?
Ex are definitely included. They're ex for a reason.
I have 3 ex that could vouch for me.
Anyone that has an ex that could vouch for them as a friend on a friendship application, you already won.
I won?
Yep, you already won. And you certain they'll vouch for you.
Yes.
Alright, cool.
If you call them right now, they will.
Alright, wait for one.
We're going on each other.
Oh.
It's far.
I could walk for it.
It's really far.
Because I could walk for it if you want.
You don't believe me that I have? No, guys. It's always the current girlfriend who don't believe in the exes.
No. Not that I don't. I might have a few exes that could vouch for me too, but I'm not certain they'll vouch for me in a good way. That's what I'm, that's what I'm trying to say. Even though I don't think I did anything wrong. I just don't think they would vouch for me in a good way.
Jay, what did you then do?
That's the thing, nothing.
All of my vouchers will be great. Come on, Jay. Don't do that to the kid.
I'm not saying anything.
But what you think make a good friend? Guys, me and Bae went to the store and I saw this. I haven't drank this in so long. In the bottle. I've drank it in the box, but I haven't drank it in the bottle for so long. It's so good. So huh?
Huh?
What do you think make you make a good friend?
A lot of things make a good friend. Honesty, trust, dependability, reliability. A lot of things make a good friendship. But it takes two to make a good friendship.
It does. Because one person hand can't clap.
Mm-hmm.
It's so weird. I actually rather the balls than the rice.
I know,
It's weird. Look, I haven't even eaten the rice today.
No, I tasted it, but for some reason it's just
The balls taste better, right?
Yeah, it does. It does. We should have made it all balls.
So look, guys, I made Jay my friend because she came with great references. I'm talking about I didn't need her references because I saw it in my eyes. And the eyes can't deny what they see.
You saw what?
That you're okay. You're an okay person. That's just it. You're an okay person.
I'm okay with that.
Now I'm gonna taste the rest of them. The rice balls still taste better.
Still taste better.
For real. Every time we make rice balls, whether it's with white rice or this rice, the balls are always so good.
They are.
They're really, really good.
Yeah. I don't know what's the difference between the regular rice and the rice ball because we use the same rice.
Same
so
rice.
I'm not even sure. But it does taste a lot better.
Because guys, if you look, we barely taste the rice. It's just rice. But the balls that was around it, we ate them all.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna use this rice.
And make rice balls. And we'll eat it. Weird. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for joining us today. Thank you guys for always supporting. And please, don't forget to comment down below and let us know how many good references would you have hypothetically if you're filling out a friendship application. Hypothetically. If you made it this far in the video, give us a thumbs up. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to subscribe. There was a lot of vibes. I'd like to think there was a lot of vibes.
Me too, yeah.
Yeah. So, subscribe for the vibes. If you made it this far, you could share us out too. Thank you.
Until we meet again, until we see you again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up.
Bye, Rax.